Hey guys, it's me. Sorry about all the noise. I just got done mowing, and sorry you can't really see my face. The lighting in my room is horrible. What? Come here. Um. Ooh. But I just wanted to make a video. Hi. Um. About my cat. Yeah. I don't know why, but one of my friends was like, Sam, you need to make a video about your cat on your YouTube channel. I was like, okay. Hi. Um, Let me go see if I can get better lighting somewhere. So, hold on a second. What? What? Come on! Come on! What? It's not any better, but it works. Um, so yeah. Um, Ow! Godchild. Okay, sorry. Um, but yeah, I'm gonna play some music. Hopefully you guys will be able to hear it. Um, but yeah. Hold on. Oh, and just letting you know, it's Kyoto by Skrillex. What? Ow! That is my hand. What are you doing? Huh? What? But yeah. So yeah, that's basically what my cat does on a daily basis. It just, you know, comes to me and just does whatever it does. I found some. No, oh, wait. I can't find the right lighting. This is horrible. Um, but yeah. Sorry. Um, but yeah. You can see him moving right there. Spanky! Spanky! Come here! Come here! Oh, well then. But yeah, that's basically it. Oh my god, cat hair. So yeah. Bye.